My favorite person in class. Sophie. We'll see I'm in the 8, please, for this one.
Is that right? It is 8 times. You do 1. So that would be 12 times -1.
Good. And the A is?
The A is 8.
Great. And thank you. I like how you said 8 times C. That's good to remember. Okay. Dean, will you write it up or no? Too bad. I'm not writing it up. Okay. Great. Not like this is exactly like the last question, but what are 2 numbers, please, that multiply to -12 and add to -1, please? Yeah, right?
Oh, number
Great.
so the number
Okay. Excellent. Okay. You ready or not? No? You get it or no?
-1.
You want to try this one or no?
Or
And what do I do with the 4 and the 3, please? Fill the questions? No. No. Okay, so it's going to be 12
wait, so that was plus?
x squared. I'm going to put it with the 3. It doesn't really matter. If you wanted to do 4 first, it doesn't matter at all. You'll get the very same answer. Okay? Great. Ben, it's your time to shine.
So
Can you use the factor? No? Okay. We gotta talk. Anyone else want to be brave and factor? No one's brave? Steve. Go ahead.
Oh wait, I put -4
Oh
on
my
that.
goodness. Okay, so if you take a look, what would have happened if you did the other one first? You probably got a 4x plus 1 on the outside and 3x minus 1 in the bracket, right? Okay, but it's still the same answer, okay? So what some people were saying is they did minus 4x and plus 3x. It still works, right? Except for instead of being in the brackets, your numbers will be here and vice versa. Okay, so either way will work. Okay? Yes? Questions?
I don't think we did this.
Yeah, because I got -3x plus 1 and then -4x minus 1.
Yeah, I think. Yeah.
That is technically correct,
So
but it's a lot easier if your x's are positive. It's technically.
Wait, so are our answers right then?
It's technically correct.
Wait, so how did
Mark
you
it
get
right?
a plus and we got negatives? Because we got -3 minus.
I'll help in a sec. Okay. I just want to
And
start
that's what I
this
told her.
Put a star on there. I'll put the next question to pass and try, and I'll come help right after this. Okay. Here we go. Now, is this sort of starting to be okay for some people? You really need to put your phone away. Seriously. Not you. You. Okay. No. Good. All right. Here we go. Letter D. Let's do a big one for a change. Okay. Let's go 5x squared plus 7x minus 6. No, plus 6. No, that's right. That's right. Okay, so take a second. Try that. I'm going to walk around for people who needed encouragement. People, if they don't remember how to get the numbers, I will remind you my old strategy, okay? All right, what's the M and D here, please? Go ahead.
M is
Great. And the A is?
A is 7.
Okay, so what I would do, if you remember, I'd say, well, it's like 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, 4 does it work? I don't think so. 5 times 6. Okay? So it's got to be one of those 4 things. If you can't find the numbers, well, please. It takes me about, what, 10 seconds to write them out? What's that?
Did you turn your video on?
Yeah. You can't hear the class laughing at me dropping the papers. Like if you like to see your teacher drop papers. Okay. But the idea is because it's positive, all these have to be little sides, right? So it's going to be this one. This is going to be our number right there. Okay? So if you're still not good at finding the numbers, okay, that's the best way for me that I do. Okay? All
Can I
right.
give the answer?
Give me
Can I
that
give
step.
you steps?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm not really sure if this is right.
Yeah, right.
I got 5x squared plus 10 minus 3x minus 6.
Great. Now, you could have done it the other way, but clearly 5 and 10 go together nicely, and 3 and 6 go together nicely. Right? So that's what I did.
Next.
Okay? Next, go ahead.
And then I did 5x
and then brackets x plus 5, and then another bracket to like close the brackets. And then minus, whoa, you're putting a 5 in there. Minus 3. What did I do?
Okay, so just remember it's okay. This is the first day doing this, so don't worry about it. Remember you're dividing, right?
So
10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. No, it's okay. Listen, it's okay. You did good. You did very well. Very well. Okay, read. What's the final answer, please?
it's still, I don't know, it's not.
Which final answer, please?
Let's see,
Come on, guys, go.
Hi, I got the answer.
Can I pass?
X plus 5, and another bracket, 2. X plus 2,
Yeah.
and another bracket, 5x minus 3.
So what I want for you guys, hold on please. What I want for you guys is to, some of the applications are going to come tomorrow, but I just need the math to be solid, right? That's all I want. Once you do 100 of these, literally, you're going to be the best factors in the school. No, I'm not even kidding, right? But that's, you're just going to practice and then these are great.
I forgot how to do the other things. I just remember this.
Don't worry, we'll go. Okay, so here we go. This is going to be a different one. Here we go, letter E. Please first start beside this one. This is one of the applications, okay? I'll do this as a class.
What's an application?
Solve. What am I going to use here now? Where's my factoring page?
Oh my goodness. It's a long way down. Did we get practice time after this? Because it's, yeah.
Very soon. Solve, oh, here's one. 10x squared plus 9x minus 9 equals 0. Okay. So we'll go through this in a sec. We'll go through this in the class here. Step 1 is to factor, so you guys can try that. Okay? So step 1 is going to be factor. And we're going to do this one together, if we can. What's the M and what's the A? Please, Doug.
The M is 90. Negative 90.
Yeah?
And the A is 9.
Okay. Now, this one's tricky. 9.
Why is there so many letters? Things. Why is there 4?
What?
That's
This is,
what
but here's the
4
thing. You
says.
ignore this. You just ignore this.
Okay.
Go ahead. 90 and 9. Let's make sure that's actually
So can you
working.
get rid of that 0, please?
Oh, I got a weird one. No, so this is part of the question. That's what it says solve. Okay, anyone want to take a guess at this, or do I want to write all the factors on the board?
Nope. Okay, right.
You got it? Go ahead. Nope, so that doesn't add. I'll write them out, okay? 1 times 90, 2 times 45, 3 times 30. And if you get stuck on your text, this is what you should do. 4 times, that 4? No, it doesn't. 5 times 18, I think. 6 times 15. 7, 8, 9 times 10. Okay, so if you're wondering how I got these numbers, hold on please. What I just did was, excuse me, I did 90 divided by 1 is this, 90 divided by 2 is that, 90 divided by 3 is this, 90 divided by 4 is that, okay? So out of those numbers, which one's going to work here? Go ahead. Yeah, so if you go -6, okay, so those are going to be 2 numbers. Now here's the thing. You're probably saying to yourself, Mr. Sadler, you were a jerk. You wouldn't say that out loud, of course. 90 is only 10 times 9 on the times table, which it is. Okay? This is an academic class, which means it's okay to go off the timetable. Right? You have the skills, hopefully, by this, that you can find the numbers even if they're bigger. Okay, right? And that's why this exists. Okay? All right, here we go. Yes, go ahead.
So when I split it down the middle, do I just split it down the middle at 10x squared minus 6? Or do
I'd probably go 15. It doesn't matter, but for me, 10 and 15 are sort of nice.
What?
Okay. So I'm going to go ahead as like this. I'm going to go 10x squared, whoops, plus 15x, minus 6x, minus 9, equals 0. That's why that's supposed to be, I sort of moved my note there. Okay. All right, here we go. I'm going to pick on my favorite senior class I haven't picked on yet. Again, it's your turn to shine. What's common, please, between 10 and 15, if anything? 5? Close?
5x.
5x. Okay, that's good. So what's left coming after that, please? Yeah. Perfect. Okay, perfect. And it's just takes, that's why this, like, everything builds on each other in this core, in this unit, right? So this is like one of the culminating things. Whenever we learned how to do this individual factoring, we learned decomposition. On the right, I think that's -3, I think. And then 2x plus 3, and that should be equal 0 there. Look at that in a sec. So this turns into 2x plus 3 and 5x minus 3 equals 0. Okay? And hopefully most people have gotten to there. Okay, does that make sense to most people that middle school? Yeah.
I did nx squared minus 6x and I split there. And I got 2x, 5x minus 3, and 3, 5x minus 3.
Minus or plus?
Both of them are minus.
I think it must be, this one wasn't a plus, right? So this x would be 15, and this would be a positive factor for you. Right, so it would be 15x minus 9, so you take out a positive 3. Right? You know, I got
I
the sheet.
did. I put in a positive 3. So I got 5x minus 3.
If you take a positive 3, then it should be 5x minus 3 should be in your brackets, hopefully. I'll go take a look in a sec. But it should, this is actually right. Just so you know, I'm calling teacher power right now. This one's actually right. Can we work it out for you? The other one?
No,
Fine.
it's
No, it's okay, Steve. I'm not doing anything today. 10x squared, I'm just kidding. Steve, I like questions. I'm sorry I'm being rude. I'm not bad. Minus 6x plus 15x. You guys, everyone else can ignore this, okay? Equals 2x, 5x minus 3, plus 3, 5x minus 3. So it should be 2x plus 3. Steve, does that help?
I'm getting oh,
Alright. So please be brave, right? So right, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times -3 is -6, right? So that's a 5x minus 3. 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times -3 is -9. So that's that works. And 2x is 3 there, so 2x plus 3, 5x.
oh,
Okay? Makes sense?
yeah.
Okay.
I just didn't do that concept.
So this is the key thing, and then I'm going to stop after this. This is my last time doing today. Okay? So let's finish this off. What we're left at here, please, is 2x plus 3 and 5x minus 3 equals 0. So we did a little bit of this before, but I'm just going to remind you. If you have two things that multiply to give you 0, what does that mean? So what's
do like what?
sort of? So if you have two things that equal 0, what does that mean? One of them has to be 0. So what that means is either, okay, so here's the color. 2x plus 3 equals 0, or 5x minus 3 equals 0. Did everyone do this before? I hope so, because we didn't do this thing in the unit. I'm just reminding you. Let's continue on, please. Okay, this is my last hit. Okay, so how do I solve for x on the left-hand side, please? Let's go back to grade 7, please. How do you solve for x? Go ahead. Isolate. Very good. So you're going to call that 2x equals -3, and x equals -3 over 2. Just using proper algebra. Okay. On the right, sorry, yeah. Finish this one, and then you know Dr. Princeton off. 5x equals 3. I'm sorry, you might not be okay. So what these would be, and we'll talk more about this tomorrow, these are like your x-intercepts. Okay? Hold on, guys, please. So that's, excuse me, so that's like your x-intercept, okay? Now, just so you know, sometime soon, not today, I'm going to confiscate all your phones one day, okay? Just so you know. Because so many people are texting during class, so it's very rude. Like if I was your boss, you guys would all be fired. Not everybody, Steve, you're so much being texted. Yeah, okay. But everybody else, all right, okay? There's a lot of people with their phones on their desk. And if you guys say to me, oh, I don't understand this, it's because you spent half your energy on your phone. Yes?
You need both of them or just one?
Two. So if you think of a Bravo, right? So this is my arm. Think of a Bravo, it goes deep, and then it comes up and it goes deep, right? Alright. Okay, so it'll be 2 answers for x and x. Okay, so this is what's going to happen every day now. Since you guys wanted work time, we got work time. Okay, so your homework tonight is going to be 5, 6, and 7 on page 223. So there's still is homework. 223, number 5, 6, and 7. And this is your exit questions.
What?
We have to finish these to the PDF.
Yeah.
So we can't do we have to do the question.
You guys do the questions. You said you guys want time to work, and I said
Yeah.
leave homework to
On
at home, right? No,
Yeah.
that's never happening. That's what you guys said you wanted work time. That's all you guys said to me.
Yeah.
We said
No,
we
it's
just
not.
want work time. I'd rather be learning a lesson.
Yeah.
So you won't let us do the question unless if we don't have these questions done?
Okay, for number D, if you can solve for x, please. Okay, so if you guys can start those 4 questions, you said you wanted work time. Here's your work time. Okay, do those 4 questions. Show them to me if you would when you're done. Okay, because this, if you can do those 4 questions at the end of class, that means you understand what's going on today. So this is just like a check for yourself and a check for me. If you can look at those questions and you say to yourself, Sophie, I can't do any of these, that means that you did not learn anything today, right? So try your best. If you're having difficulty with those 4, okay, please ask me. On the last one, notice there's an equal 0. That means solve for x. Right? You see letter D there? There's an equal 0. Okay, so A, B, and C should be no problem.
Can you give me the numbers? I'm so bad at doing
Okay, now, just 1 second. I don't want to yell at you, okay? I think